A very common question that we receive within the Techbud Solutions chat altogether is how is it that I gain access to the Excel sheets and all that stuff? Well, you can actually access all the different files and Excel sheets that we upload under the file section of the Techbud Solutions closed Facebook group. Again, this is the closed Facebook group, not the one where you give us a thumbs up. This is the closed Facebook group, and then you simply search up what it is that you are trying to find. If you guys want to look for my top 7 stocks for October of 2017, you guys can see that it was posted by me. It's a PDF, and you guys can verify that, yes, that is the PDF copy that I'm looking for. Again, how do you find the PBP checklist? Well, again, that was posted by me August 2nd, and you can download it using that simple Excel sheet. What's another one that you might be looking for? Well, I did upload, and one that was very commonly requested is the $1,000 challenge growth plan, and it looks like a couple people have adjusted it, and you can download their files if you find theirs to be a much more efficient or effective way for you. But then you can see that the one I downloaded was on April 15th. Of 2017. So overall, these are where all the different Excel files, PDFs, and files all together within the Techbud Solutions chat are provided. And it's just simply by going to the Files tab, and then you can gain access to everything. Now, if you want to search up for any book recommendations or want to search up any key terms, then you use this filtered option, and you're like, okay, well, I'm interested in some books. Does anyone have any book recommendations? I search up books just because that's a very common question, and you can see what other people are suggesting. Hey, would anyone like to, share something about trading cryptocurrencies, Forex, and stuff like that? There they go. So any frequently asked question that you might have, you simply go ahead and search for it in the search bar, and then it filters throughout the entire group and everything that has ever been posted to a nice little, format. It offers certain content that meets all the criteria that you are searching for. So that is how you stay connected and how you find all the different files that we have ever posted, making sure that you have access to everything that is that you want access to, and making sure that you are connected. So if you have any other questions about how to stay connected, how to join the Discord group chat, or any of the frequently asked questions that we ever receive, feel free to comment down below, and I'm sure that a couple of our normal Techbud Solutions group leaders, as well as myself, can answer and guide you in the right direction. Thank you guys again for everything that you guys do. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives in your success. And like always, guys, let's make sure that we're in the year on a green note. Take care, team.